Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Lyft login problems, account and payment errors step by step clearly. First, check that your phone has a stable internet connection using Wi-Fi or mobile data. Turn airplane mode on for 10 seconds, then turn it off to refresh your network. Make sure you are using the latest version of the Lyft app from the App Store or Google Play. Close the Lyft app completely and reopen it to clear temporary glitches. Restart your phone to refresh system services that affect sign-in and payments. Confirm you are entering the correct phone number or email linked to your Lyft account. If you forgot your password, tap Forgot Password and complete the reset from the official message. Check your SMS inbox and email inbox for the verification code and enter it quickly before it expires. If the code never arrives, wait 1 minute and request a new code. Then try again. Disable VPN or proxy apps because they can trigger security blocks during login. Set your device date and time to automatic, because wrong time settings can break verification. If you see an account locked or too many attempts message, stop trying and wait 15 to 30 minutes. Go to your phone settings. Open apps, select Lyft, and clear cache to remove corrupted data. On iPhone, offload or delete the Lyft app and reinstall it to refresh all app files. If login still fails, try signing in on another device to confirm whether it's an account or device issue. Check Lyft's server status by searching Lyft status to see if there is an outage. If your account is suspended or flagged, open the Lyft app help section and follow the on-screen appeal steps. For payment errors, open the Lyft app, go to Payment, and review your default payment method. Confirm your card number, expiration date, CVV, and billing zip code match your bank records. Make sure your card has enough funds or available credit for the ride and temporary authorization hold. If the error says card declined, contact your bank to approve Lyft charges and remove fraud blocks. Remove the payment method and add it again to refresh the token and fix stored payment issues. Try adding a different card or using PayPal if available to rule out a card-specific problem. Check if your bank blocks online, rideshare, or international transactions and enable them if needed. If you use Apple Pay or Google Pay, confirm your wallet card is active and set as default. For business profiles, switch to personal payment to test whether the company method is restricted. Update your phone OS if it is very old, because outdated security certificates can cause login and payment failures. If none of these steps work, contact Lyft support in the app and attach screenshots of the exact error message. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.